Brought to you by JEGS.
If you've been holding out on getting a Sniper EFI, let me help you make up your mind. Check this out, Sniper Stealth EFI. Yes, finally a throttle body EFI that looks like a carburetor. Sniper Stealth EFI looks just like our Holley Ultra XP carburetors. The overall dimensions are very similar, even down to the fuel bowls. The same drop base air cleaners that work on Ultra XP carbs will also work on Sniper Stealth. This is the throttle body injection you've been waiting for. Best of all, you're getting the tried and true features of Sniper EFI. Sniper Stealth is for naturally aspirated engines making between 200 and 650 horsepower. For those of us looking for more power, Super Sniper Stealth comes in 650 and 1250 versions for naturally aspirated and forced induction engines. A true bolt-on replacement for any 4-barrel carburetor, Sniper Stealth bolts onto any 4150 flanged intake. With Ford and GM transmission kickdown brackets available, installation and setup is just as easy. Sniper Stealth creates a basic calibration after answering a few questions on the touchscreen display. The Bosch Wideband O2 oxygen sensor delivers real-time fuel map learning for pure driving enjoyment. It uses OEM-style TPS and IAC sensors for proven reliability. Sniper Stealth is also able to control timing when used with a magnetic pickup distributor such as MSD's Pro Billet or even a Hall effect distributor like Holley's HyperSpark. Controlling the timing allows you to set up rev limiting capabilities on the touchscreen display. Sniper Stealth works with CD ignitions, or you can use a standalone coil by installing the Holley coil driver. For forced induction applications, advanced users can communicate to the Sniper EFI ECU with the optional CAN bus dongle, giving you access to the same advanced boost control features available on Holley HP and Dominator EFI systems. After initial setup, the built-in boost control is done through the handheld touchscreen monitor, allowing you to retard timing based on boost. You can then program and set target air-fuel ratios per boost level. The built-in 2.5 bar map sensor monitors up to 21.5 pounds of boost pressure. For nitrous users, it supports wet or dry nitrous applications. Also set up through the Sniper EFI software at first. The built-in single-stage progressive controller can be adjusted through the handheld touchscreen. Easily set up lean, rich AFR cutoff points. Timing retard can be RPM or time-based, all adjusted from the handheld touchscreen display. Sniper Stealth base kits include 2 ground inputs and 3 ground triggered outputs for controlling accessories such as cooling fans or air conditioning. You also get access to all the Holley EFI gauges like our digital dashes, or keep it classic with our plug-and-play analog style digital gauges. And if that's not enough, Holley offers an 8-injector Super Sniper Stealth for up to 650, 1250 horsepower. Super Sniper Stealth also adds more inputs, including 3 0 to 5 volt inputs, allowing you to monitor additional sensors such as fuel, oil, or pressure sensors. When you take pride in what's under your hood, make sure you're packing a Sniper Stealth EFI.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.